Hello and welcome to Computer Tech and More. Today I want to talk about selling your old computer and kind of buying a new computer. So I'm actually going to use my own personal listing, some of the screenshots I took of it when I sold it, and some basic details to look for or list when selling your computer to A, not get scammed, and B, not get scammed in general, and to stay safe out there. So I don't know if it's true, but apparently on Amazon, or not Amazon, on Facebook Marketplace, which is this listing, the other one is eBay, the maximum price you can ship is $500. Now, I wouldn't buy a computer from someone who was like, ignore the listing price, $500, actual price is blah, 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 unless they're going to meet you in person. So that's my first note. On eBay, I listed it as local pickup only. I was not going to ship a desktop. A is too heavy and the shipping price would just be too high. So next, also lots of pictures. So I took a picture of the computer on in the BIOS screen so they could see the specs, and this was my own personal thought, I took a picture clearly showing that it is the only thing plugged in and not plugged in anything else to show that the computer works. Next, details. At the top, I specified where our meetup location is going to be. I unfortunately cut that off, but I said I was going to meet at a police department, and I specified which police department I was going to meet at. So that was my key way of saying, hey, I'm real. I actually want to meet you at a safe public location, and I am not a scammer. And if you're a scammer, you're not going to meet me at the police station. I specified how I want to pay, them to pay. Now I listed a lot of details, probably actually too much. Said that it would make a good home computer. Yes, PC part picker, I listed the price. I specified how much each thing kind of seemed like it was worth. eBay, very similar. List out the CPU. I was selling a screen with it. Details continued. I specified what kind of monitor, the CPU, its estimated value. That can be argued, times change, so in the future this value is probably not correct. Estimated value of the RAM, motherboard. I said that Windows installed, but I did not have a key for my installation because I used my installation on the rebuild of my computer. The power supply, its rating, and I specified what kind of case I had. Same sort of thing was with my eBay listing. What I thought it would work well for a user, so it would have been a good home computer or with a GPU. I wasn't selling it with a GPU. Make a good home computer or with a GPU would make a good gaming computer. And kind of the options, I spelled out options for me because I didn't necessarily want to get rid of the case and power supply. But I did also feel that it would be easier sale to sell a complete computer, case, power supply, everything included, than to sell it piecemeal. Again, take lots of pictures, detailed pictures, show the Windows installation. eBay listings, same sort of thing. I just copied and pasted. And that. So I'm going to just talk for a second. I have a picture up. When you're buying or selling, list as much detail as possible or look for as much detail as possible. If they're just saying i7 or whatever, raise some questions. If they don't answer your emails or messages specifically, it's probably not a safe sale. Meet at a safe public location, like a police department. I've heard stories about people getting robbed at gas stations, which have cameras, but a police station, you're at least at a place where there's people with guns and lots of cameras. So they're unlikely to mess with you there. Also, you can go with a friend. Specify a meetup time. Use your safe judgment. Again, good luck out there. Whether you're buying or selling, give as much detail as you can about the system you're selling. Don't expect too much. Try to be fair. Look at what the market is. Look at the values if you're selling it. I did a general rule of thumb of original price, cutting that in half for the number of years I've had it. But yeah, I hope this video gets out there and people stay safe when they buy and sell used computers, whether it be Marketplace or eBay. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.